Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ava's Luxury for Less with me, Avanita. Guys, in this video, this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can use things that you have at home to make over your tiny or small bedroom. So guys, if you have a small bedroom, stick with me because I'm going to show you how you can make over your own small bedroom without having to buy anything at all. I haven't purchased anything. So as you can see, this is what my room looks like at the moment. I had to change my bed because when I change it in the summertime, I'd put it where the radiator is now because it's coming on to winter. When I turn the radiator on, it's so hot at my head, so I have to turn it on. So guys, as I said to you before, if you want to see how I achieve this look, so it's part 1 of 2. So in this part, I'm just going to show you how I paint the wall, you know, how I strip down the wall, paint it, and then add some mirrors onto my walls, some shelves, some frames, and then also I did a little makeover of my of my makeup table. I'll leave a link in the description box below. If you haven't seen that video, guys, please check it out after you've watched this one. So I'm going to do a little DC fixing contact paper wrap on it because I didn't like the way how it was. And before, when I did the video, I did mention that I would show you guys when I do make improvement on it. So this is a video. So as I said, this will be part 1 of 2. So next week I'll show you the decor and all the other stuff that I've done and also the finished product. So after I finish stripping the wall, this is what it looks like. I mean, on the side is like a purple paint, or yeah, purple paint, because I was in the mood for purple I think 2 years ago. But yeah, so what I did, I apply a first coat of white paint. The reason why I apply the white paint is because I wanted to get rid of that purple paint that was there, and also there was a few that catch on the ceiling, so that's why I've started with the white paint. But then after, I did the last coat with the Silk Magnolia paint. So guys, I just want to say thank you very much for all the new subscribers. Thank you very much for all the comments, the like, and the share. If you're new to this channel, guys, welcome to my family. Welcome. I am so happy that you decided to stop, and I hope you decided to stay with me. So click on the notification bell, subscribe, like, comment, and share. So here I am. I'm just going through just trying to place the frames onto the wall. I'm not really sure if I really like them there, so maybe next week you'll see their change. But anyway, after I put some mirrors on the wall, the shelf, and also the frames, I decided that I didn't really like the fact that there were only 2 mirrors on each side. It just looked odd to me, so I put in another one. Please comment below and let me know what you think, whether I should keep the 2 mirrors or the 1 mirror. Comment below and let me know, or even also let me know about the shelf. So as I said, this is my makeup table. I will leave a link in the description box below. So I'm just taking off some of the stuff off the side of the makeup table because I'll be wrapping it with like a soft gray contact paper that I got from DC Fixter at Love Wilco. So I just went ahead and just start wrapping it, as I said before, nice and neat and smooth, and try to get out all the hair bubbles. And also, please be patient because these things require a lot of patience. If you notice, I fast forward the video because I want you guys to see basically what it is that I'm doing, and if I allow it to go onto that 1 minute, or 1 time session, it's gonna take too long. So I'm just going a little bit faster so you guys can see what it is that I'm doing. Please be very careful with your blade, guys, if you want to take this challenge on. Trust me, I don't want to tell you guys how much time I'll keep saying be careful, and I'm not being careful myself. So please be very careful. And then guys, this is what it looks like after I finished it. Now I need to change a few other stuff, like these frames. I want to change them around, and I just did a little decor of the makeup table. Now it's not permanent because I'll be changing it and giving you a full look next week when I do my video. So guys, please tune in for the second part of it. I mean, comment below and let me know what you think so far. As I said, all the decors are not permanent. I just put some stuff on because obviously I had nowhere to put them and my room was a mess. It was a total mess and I needed to sleep in the night. As you guys can tell, it's taken me a little while to kind of get it all together, but I'm happy with it. To be honest, I'm more in love with my makeup table now than before, because before it was just raw, and you know, I was keeping it for a while just to see how I'd manage it, but I really like this. And as I said, I've just taken out a few stuff from out of my room. Actually, I've decluttered a lot of stuff out of my room. I've taken out a lot of stuff. So comment below guys and let me know what you think. Also, I did my windows. So what I did, I just bring the curtains a little bit higher. Yeah, so please let me know what you think guys, and also please check out my playlist below. Guys. So thank you very much for watching guys, and I'll see you next week in my next video guys. Thank you. Bye bye.